Hi everyone. So welcome to our next tutorial. We are going to start our tutorial on formulas. So when you talk about Excel, you can very well make use of different formulas which are given by Excel. So we are going to make use of 3 or 4 such formulas for this case study of ours, and we're going to understand how to make use of these formulas by various approaches. So what exactly are we going to find out with the help of these formulas? Let's come down over here. So we currently have 18 employees, right? So can we find out the total salary for this 18 employees? Yes, we can find out the total salary. So total salary will be total of all the monthly salary as well as the total of the annual salary of the 18 employees. So this we are going to find out. Then next we can find out the maximum salary. So maximum salary including all the males and females. So for maximum salary we are going to do calculations for monthly salary and annual salary. What I mean by maximum salary is these are the different ranges of salary of different people. So whose salary is maximum, like what is the number of the maximum salary, that we are going to find out. Then we are going to find out the minimum salary. So from this range of monthly and annual salary, whose is the minimum salary, like the number of the minimum salary, that we're going to find out. And finally the average salary which is drawn by the employees. So what is the average number of salary that company XYZ gives to its employees? So that we are going to find out. So let us first start by finding out the total salary. I'm going to find out the total salary. In first case, we are going to find out the total of the monthly salary. So let's just zoom out a bit so we are able to see everything. Okay. So total salary, where I'm going to calculate, it's in the cell F24. Here you can see it at the intersection of monthly salary and total salary. This is the cell. So here we are going to find out the total salary. So the first approach that I'm going to use is with respect to this insert function. So we are going to insert a specific function which will allow us to calculate the total salary. So since we want to add all these numbers together, what is the function that we are going to make use? We are going to make use of sum function. SUM, sum function, is what we are going to apply over here for finding out the total monthly salary. So I'm going over here, which is the insert function, and yeah, this is the function is already present over here, sum function, SUM, sum. As we have talked about this earlier, this is a dialog box which will help you to derive different kinds of functions. Currently I have most recently used functions which are visible over here. You can also use financial, date and time, and all such different types of functions. But since we just want to add up everything, all the monthly salaries, I am going to make use of sum function. So I'll select sum function, click on OK. Once you click on OK, this dialog box will open up. Now what does this mean? So this means that you have to give the values which you want to add up. Now what do we want to add up? We want to add the monthly salary starting from Bruce till Lydia. Okay, so everything from this part or this part of the column we want to add up. So this is specifically called as giving your range including the numbers that you want to add up. So our range in this case will be starting from F4. So I have clicked on F4 and I'm going to drag the mouse till I reach the monthly salary of 3000, which is of Lydia. So this is our range from F4 to F21. So we want to add this number, that is why we have selected all these numbers. Once you have selected your range, I'll click on OK. So yes, we got the answer now. The total of the monthly salary, okay, for the employees of XYZ company is 92700. So this is how we calculate the total of the monthly salary. Now we want to do something with respect to the annual salary. Now here again we are going to find out the total of the annual salary. So again, let us just go to this fx function wherein we will again add up the annual salary. So once we click on the function, you can see equal to sign automatically comes over here. We want the sum function. I'll press on OK and give the range again. So range will be from the employee number 1 till the employee number 18. All the annual salary numbers are selected. Can you see it is activated? The green color range has been selected. And once G4 to G21 range is selected, I'll click on OK. Okay, so now I have got the total of the annual salary as well. So let's come to the next thing that we are going to understand, the next approach. This was the first approach, that is with the help of the inserting the function, that is fx function. Let me just delete this. Okay, I'll delete this as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you how do we directly type the formula, the sum formula, instead of just going over here. It can be a bit tedious and a lengthy process. So what we are going to do is directly start typing the formula that we want to use. Now in this case, we want to add up the monthly salary. We want a total of the monthly salary. So again, the sum formula has to be used. So what you will do is you will insert equal to sign, start typing sum, sum. So as in when you start typing, can you see here sum function pops up? So there can be two ways of selecting this. Either you open a bracket, which is called as opening a parenthesis. So bracket is called as parenthesis. So I have just clicked on shift and number 9, which has the open bracket sign, and this is how my bracket opens. If not this approach, I am deleting this bracket. What you can do is you can double click on this sum so that the Excel will automatically open the bracket for you. So I am double clicking on this. Okay, so automatically my bracket is now open. Now I have to give the numbers. This is what the function says, that you now give the numbers or the range. Our range was this, from F4 to F21. We have given the range properly. Now I press shift and the number 0, which has the complete bracket sign. I have selected everything. Just I need to press enter and I get the answer now. Okay, so we have got the answer by use of typing the formula. Now this is one way wherein you can use the formula, that is directly typing it. I'll show you another way of doing this, that is with the help of auto sum function. So now we want to find out the total of annual salary. We are going to find it over here. Now how does the auto sum function works? You just have to go to the home tab. We are on the home tab and click on auto sum, which is present over here. So what auto sum does is it will automatically add your values and your total will appear after the selected cells. So I am clicking on auto sum. Once I click on this, can you see automatically Excel has identified that I want to add this range. Okay, so everything from G4 till G23 will be now added. You just need to press enter and you have your answer. So this is another way wherein you can make use of the auto sum formula.